Bollywood stars who were unrecognizable in movie roles. Deepika Padukone. This leading lady of Bollywood recently did a movie, Chhapak, where he played the character of an acid attack survivor. With all the prosthetics on her face, Deepika was totally unrecognizable in the movie. Shah Rukh Khan. The Badshah of Bollywood changed himself completely for the role of Gaurav Channa in the movie. Ranveer Singh. In the movie Padmavat, for the role of Khilji, Ranveer Singh grew beard and his hair. He was completely unrecognizable in the look. Hrithik Roshan. For the movie Koi Mil Gaya, the actor lost too much weight. He was unrecognizable in the movie Super 30. He was completely unrecognizable in some look of Mr. A in the movie Dhoom 2. He put on various looks in the movie. Rajkumar Rao. To portray the character of Subhash Chandra Bose in the web series Bose, Rajkumar put on weight and also shaved his head partially. He also lost immense weight and grew beard and hair for his role in the movie Trapped. Rajkumar Rao was totally unrecognizable in the movie Rabta for all the prosthetic makeup. He did all those makeup for a cameo appearance. Akshay Kumar. This actor's look in Shankar's movie 2.0 was unique and it was not possible to recognize Akshay. With that long beard and huge turban, Akshay was not recognizable at all in the movie Kesari. Amitabh Bachchan. Big B completely transformed himself for the role of Oro in the movie Pa. The actor was unrecognizable in the character of a 12-year-old boy. Randeep Hooda. This actor worked really hard on his body and lost immense weight for the role of Sarabjit. He still faces some difficulties for losing that much weight back then. Priyanka Chopra. This actress's look in Anurag Basu's Barfi was completely different and Priyanka was unrecognizable in that look. Shahid Kapoor. In the movie Udta Punjab, Shahid donned a look with beard and long hairs. He was unrecognizable in that grungy look. Ayushmann Khurrana. This actor looked completely different in the movie Bala as his character was suffering from hair loss. Ayushmann also looked really like a woman in some scenes of Dream Girl. Aishwarya Rai. In the role of old Dalbir Kaur, Aishwarya Rai was completely unrecognizable in the movie Sarabjit. Bhumi Pednekar. Bhumi, for her debut movie Dum Laga Ke Haisha, put on too much weight. She was more than 90 kilos then. Sushant Singh Rajput. This actor was almost unrecognizable as old Anni in the movie Chichore. Farhan Akhtar. Farhan Akhtar looked more like Milkha Singh and less like himself in the movie Bhag Milkha Bhag. His sculpted look, grown-up beard and hair made him completely unrecognizable. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. This extremely talented actor's look in the movie Mom was completely unrecognizable. Chyan Vikram. This talented actor transformed his look in the movie Aparichit. He was completely unrecognizable with all the prosthetic makeup in the movie I. R. Madhavan. Famous for his chocolate boy look, Madhavan was almost unrecognizable in the movie Sara Khadus for his bulked up body. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.